Hi, I'm going to share my screen with you. Just hang on a sec. So here we go. So there we are. So we've got picture and pattern notes. So these 4 bullet points give me lots of keywords, which I've highlighted black. So if you look at the black keywords, and an image is a picture. So that's the same word. And then, so I know it's about patterns and pyramids. And so I only need to remember 4 words, which is picture, anchor, interaction with material. Okay, so I only need to remember pictures, anchor, interaction with material. And then I go to the dark blue color car, and then I need to go to page 38 in my book, because this is what it's about, that section, pictures, anchor, interaction with material. Okay, so that was that thing. The example that I just showed you develops one section of the pattern notes, mind map, Tony Buzan, 1993. The initial ideas have been recognized into a concept pyramid. Reworking your ideas in this way clarifies and the relationship between ideas and and sorts them into groups and sequences. It can also highlight gaps in your thinking and suggests new ideas. So now we talk about chunking information. Short-term memory is the aspect of memory that allows you to store away some information for a few seconds whilst you focus on a different aspect of the problem, such as keeping a phone number or a word or a name in your head whilst you go and find a pen to write it down, or remembering to carry and add a digit to the next column when you add up numbers larger than 10. Nobel Prize winner Herbert Simon found that we can generally hold 5 chunks of information in short-term memory in 1974. So when I found out this information in the early 90s, this is what I thought as well. But 30 years later, I noticed that most people can very easily hold 10 or 8 chunks of information in their short-term memory. However, the chunk can vary enormously in size. It could be a single word or a number or a phrase or a whole story, or the title of a book and the chapters in that book, or count up to 1 million. So try this out for yourself, not to count up to 1 million, but to chunk. So I'm going to read then a list of small chunks and then cover up the list and then try to remember each phrase exactly and do the same thing with bigger chunks list. So you could be able to remember roughly the same number of chunks, irrespectively of their size. For example, 5 or 7 sets of 2 words or 5 or 7 sets of longer sentences. So I see you in the next video about it.